Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to post 5120 by 1080 ultra-wide reels on Instagram. If you're new here, hit the subscribe button for more helpful tutorials. Now, let's get started. Step 1. Open the Photos app on your phone. Find the video you want to post and tap on Edit. Step 2. Select Crop. Now drag the top and bottom edges inward until you get that ultra-wide look. Take your time and adjust it until it feels right. Step 3. Once it looks perfect, tap Save Copy. This keeps your original video safe and creates a new ultra-wide version. Step 4. Next, open Instagram. Tap the plus icon. Choose Reel and select the video you just saved. Step 5. Add your caption. Choose a cover if you like and tap Share. That's it. Your 5120 by 1080 ultra-wide reel is now live. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a like, drop a comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick tips.